verified po sa Taguig City Police Station as well as the Southern Police District, wala po silang na-receive na ganong report po. But if in case it is true, we encourage Representative Franz Castro to at least make an official report po sa nearest police station para we could take action on that po.
Diba, minsan na po akong pinagbantaan ng dating presidente Duterte, at sa araw-araw na pagsasalita din ng Vice President Sara Duterte ay sinisingle out. Kaya po, Mr. Chair, gusto po sana na magkaroon na ng full incident report or police report sa nangyari kahapon doon sa BGC. At maituring po ito na makonsider itong serious. Dahil siguro tayo po, ako tinitignan ko rito na may kinalaman sa aking trabaho dahil alam niyo naman po ako yung very vocal doon sa pagsasalita sa mga committee, sa Quadcom, sa Good Government. Kaya po sana po ay mapatawag natin ang station commander, i-report itong insidente na ito, at yung dalawang pulis, yung isa doon ay nagpaputok. So hindi dapat nangyayari yan, lalong-lalo na sa gitna ng mga civilian, Mr. Chair.
Okay, we take note of the the manifestation of Congresswoman Franz Castro. Nandito naman po ang ating mga kawani ng Philippine National Police, ang office ng CIDG. So please, who is representing CIDG here now? The NPNP? May I know, Colonel, what is your name?
Yes, sir, Mr. Chair. I'm Police Colonel David Poclay of the CIDG, the Deputy Director for Operation. And I
Okay.
represent Police Brigadier General Torres.
Okay, thank you, Colonel. Colonel,
Thank you,
I believe you heard what Congresswoman Castro has stated before this committee, and it is of paramount importance for the committee as well as the whole House, to protect its members. Dahil sa nangyaring yan, we would request that you facilitate and submit to this committee the report, the police report on that incident that happened last night, Congresswoman Castro. Anong oras po yan?
Bandang 10:30 to 11, Mr.
Around
Chair.
that time sa BGC area. So please coordinate with the Chief of Police of Makati as well as the station commander of the said district.
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry, it's Taguig.
Okay, I'm sorry, it's Taguig.
The police have clarified that the shooting incident was not in Taguig but took place along Makati Avenue. The Metro Manila Regional Police Office says the Makati Police Chief and several office personnel have been relieved pending.
So, kagabi po, Mr. Chair, mga bandang 11 o'clock o 11 p.m., nasaksi po tayo doon sa isang insidente na pagpaputok ng baril ng pulis. So, binabagtas po namin, ewan ko pa lang po kung main road ito ng BGC, meron pong pulis sa harap namin, police car, at merong dumaan na naka-motorbike sa harap namin hanggang sa, lumabas po yung pulis, Mr. Chair, doon sa mobile car po, lumabas po yung dalawang pulis, at hinabol po yung naka-motorbike, at yung pong naka-motorbike ay dumaan sa harap namin hanggang doon pumunta sa likod. At nagulat po ako, Mr. Chair, pinaputukan ng isang pulis, yung naka-motorbike. So, hindi namin alam kung anong insidente ito, ano ba itong mga naka-motorbike na ito. Talagang natakot po ako, Mr. Chair, at kinihila na lang po ako ng aking mga kasamahan at pinadapa, at pinadapa. Natakot po ako, Mr. Chair, dahil bakit po nagkakaroon ng ganitong insidente na sa gitna ng traffic, Mr. Chair, ay nagpapaputok ang pulis. So tingin ko po ay hindi tama ito dahil sa gitna po ito ng mga sibilyan at traffic po ito at marami pong sasakyan.